Physics Blender. I love 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 Physics Blender. Subscribe for more videos.
Question 14. Which statement about ultrasound is correct? Again, guys, ultrasound, they are sound waves. The prefix ultra just means exceeding. Exceeding what? Exceeding frequency. So, ultrasound, they are sound waves, but their frequency exceeding the audible hearing range for human. They are produced by electric field. When we have an electric field is applied to a certain crystal, you can find that the particles of this crystal will be producing oscillations and vibrations. The sound of these vibrations, they have high frequency. Okay, so it's produced by rapidly vibrating source. Okay. Okay. By the way, they travel faster in vacuum? No. Ultrasound, they will not travel in vacuum. They have the same properties as sound waves. Okay? Okay. Question 15. We have amplitude and the frequency of sound waves decreasing. What happens to the sound? Again, amplitude is related to loudness, if we have loud or quiet sound. Frequency related to if we have high pitch or low pitch. Okay, high or low. So we have here both amplitude and the frequency decreased. So it means we have quiet sound. So here if the sound is quiet or loud, and we have here if the sound it has high pitch or low pitch. Amplitude and frequency decreased, it means we have quiet sound and low pitch. So the answer for this one is D. The sound will be quieter and lower in pitch. I want to move to question 18. We have here sheet of ice floating on water, and we have a source of sound in different positions. We have microphones are placed at distance S. Which microphone detects sound from S first? Detecting sound first, it means faster. Sound travel faster. Okay, we have air, we have water, we have ice, different states of matter. Water is liquid for sure. We have ice is solid. We have air, which is gas. And we said earlier that we know the concept, the fact that sound travel faster in solid. So which microphone here will detect the sound from S, the source, the sound source, faster or first? It will be the one closer to the ice. So the answer is B, because you know that speed of sound, again one more time, speed of sound in solids is much greater than speed of sound in liquids, and you know the reason in gas. And please write in the comments if you know why. If you know why speed travel faster in solids than in liquids, and in liquids travel faster than gases. Is it clear? Okay.
Subscribe for more videos. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor. I love physics splendor.